Welcome to the city of Chino. We're gonna be exploring these beautiful, you know what, I call them beautiful because I didn't think they were gonna be this nice, man. They're really nice for attached condos. We're in a great location. This is all about location here in this area. It's a lifestyle living. Tell us a little bit more about it.
I love it, man. I mean, for attached condos, you think of tight spaces, small homes. These are gonna be 1,800 square feet to 2,700 square feet. That's bigger than some people's houses. In an attached condo, you're at 3 to 4 bedrooms, office spaces, loft spaces, mid 600s up to about the mid 700s. So these floor plans are super nice, guys. You're in for a treat. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna be very pleased with how they came out. Let's go.
Let's go check them out. All right guys, come on in. We're gonna be introducing you guys to the biggest model here. Now, my favorite thing about this is gonna be the multi-gen option that they have here. It has its own entrance, so it is a multi-gen, has a little living room area. Show them around, Reyes.
Yeah, so this is really cool because you don't usually see a townhome with a multi-gen like this. So of course you have like this wet bar area right here. This is a pretty good sized bed. You have total room over here for like another couch, kind of lounge hangout area. And then you still have a bathroom and then a pretty good sized closet down over there as well.
So this is a true studio, guys. You come in, you got a full-on closet. Like most don't even have that in any bedroom. And then you have the full bath over here. Give them a shot of the full bath, Justin. Now this is the crazy part right here. We got washer dryer hookups here in this room, which is super important because now you can literally just live here and have some type of maybe a microwave. It comes with a mini split. It's really a good option. And you're totally separate. Everyone else is gonna be upstairs.
Yeah, you know, this is a great option. Like Rob mentioned, you have the mini split, a separate thermostat right here. And the cool part about this is a multi-level home, meaning that if you want to buy this and you want maybe some additional income or maybe some help out with your payment or have a family member come live with you, they can have their total space and privacy down there while you're up here, and it's a perfect fit.
Yeah, I think so. Let's go check out the top now. So you get garage access over here, which is super cool. So you'll be coming in here. I would even maybe block off that door that's right behind you guys because they'll have their own entrance from the front. But let's go to the top.
So this is really cool how they have this layout right here. When you first come up the stairs, you have a bathroom down on that side. The kitchen is kind of faced this way, so you can kind of look at, you know, the rest of the living room as well as this balcony right here.
So there's a lot of people who don't like tri-level homes, but I think this is a great option because you get your little patio out here. It's a little loud out there. They're doing construction. You get, like Ray has mentioned, the full kitchen. Do we have anything right on the other side of this? So before we go to the third level, this is perfect. This could be either somebody's bedroom here. You can set it up that way. They're setting it more like a office space, which is super, super cool. Not only do you get a multi-gen downstairs, you get a office area in the first level, and then you get a restroom right next to you.
Yeah, this is really nice right here. And then even this kitchen area right here, I mean, this is very spacious. You got plenty of room to cook, put your dishes, and it just doesn't feel crowded. A lot of times when we're out shopping for like a condo or a townhome or even a multi-level home like this right here, it can tend to get a little bit tight, but right here, plenty of space. It's nice open layout. So this house right here is gonna be 3 to 4 bedrooms. It's a little bit over 2,200 square feet. You do have that flex room, and as we mentioned, you have that bonus room downstairs. You're gonna have the master up there, and then you have a really spacious living room kitchen area on this second level.
Yeah, and what I like about this too, I mean, some people don't like this, some people will, but every builder is going all electric now. So you're gonna have electric stovetop. There's nothing that stops you guys from putting one of these electric stovetops downstairs. I'm just saying. So you'll have your sink down there, a little fridge, and your stovetop. So we got 2 bedrooms up here. Now what I like about it is they're each gonna have their own bathroom. So we have a bathroom right here. Good sized bedroom. This is gonna be probably for your favorite child here, since they're gonna have their own bathroom. We got a little bit of closet space over here. People, we know that's important. And then, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but everything's gonna be in a cluster here. So you will have that 2-car garage set up there. Everything's in a little cluster.
Nice. And then I know on the very first level we showed the washer and dryer, but you're gonna have a separate washer and dryer over here as well. So you guys can definitely keep everything nice and separate. And then of course this is gonna be what I would consider, this is the master, right?
Yeah, master bedroom. So we got the master. Again, they just utilize the space so much. People are moving to this area because of the location, right? It's close enough to LA, it's close enough to the OC, and this is becoming, they're trying to get this whole area to be like Irvine, right? Where it's Chino, Ontario Ranch, Eastvale, they're putting all those together where it's more of a lifestyle living compared to like, hey, I'm gonna have this huge lot, this huge house. People who are living here, it's all about location. It's all about accessibility to getting to places where they can just live their life, enjoy it. And then plus, you're gonna have amenities here such as parks, pools, and all that. So you'll have literally everything that you need without having to maintain landscaping, doing all that. I do that for my house now, and believe me, it's a headache. I prefer probably not to, or I just gotta start paying.
Yeah, and you know, Rob brings up a great point. This is gonna be a prime location. Not only are they building a ton of homes out here, new shopping, easy access to freeways, but you're actually getting a lot of people coming from Orange County, San Diego County, and LA County, just because it's so much more affordable here. If you were to take this same home and put it over in Orange County, you're easily paying over $1 million for it. Well, right here, you can get something in the mid-6s going into the low 700s.
Check out that master bath. All right, guys, you ready to go check out the next one, man?
Let's go do it.
Yeah, because they got like 6 different models here. We're not gonna check all of them out. We'll give you guys like a B-roll of the other ones, but we're gonna check out the really, really nice ones. Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we are at the next floor plan here. We're actually a little bit smaller. We're 1,900 square feet. Reyes, what are the details inside?
Yeah, so this is gonna be 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You are gonna have a loft as well, and it has a really cool layout. So let's go take a look.
Let's do it. Get a nice little porch. That's actually a good sized porch.
So right as you enter, you are gonna have a closet right there to, you know, hang clothes, jackets when you have guests over, and then easy garage access down right here on this first level. So this layout is really unique compared to the other one where we had like the kitchen kind of cut off and then the living room. This one is just very wide and open. So you're gonna have the stove, your countertops on that side, refrigerator on this side. But I just love how spacious it makes it feel, especially with all this natural light coming in from these windows right now. And this is on a day where it's cloudy outside. I can only imagine what it's gonna look like when the sun is out.
Yeah, when it comes to like a condo living floor plan, this is great because usually it's really small spaces just kind of put together. Here in this one, it flows really nicely, and we've even got some space for a balcony and a restroom back this way. So I really like this kitchen.
Yeah,
it's
this
big.
is nice. I think,
and this space is great too. So on this main level, we're gonna have washer and dryer. That's gonna be here, which is good. And then we do have actually 2 bedrooms on this level as well. This is great.
So again, kind of like how Robert was mentioning in the other house right here, you are gonna have this little balcony area, but this is the perfect house for somebody who wants low maintenance. You wanna be in a great location. You need at least 3 bedrooms for your family. Maybe you're a younger family just kind of getting things started. And then again, this is a pretty good sized bedroom. I mean, this bed is huge right here, but the nice part is you do have your own bathroom with double sinks. So I mean, this home has it all. And look how deep this closet goes, Rob. Yep. So again, this is barely going to be on the 2nd level of this home right here. There is one more level that we're going to go up to where there is going to be a loft and there is going to be that master bedroom.
And so this is gonna be kind of what the homes look like from the garage side of you. So the garages are all facing each other. You're kind of in a courtyard little cluster, but that is basically us on the other side right here, mirrored. So you do get the balcony, that's where I'm standing, and then you do have a 2-car garage right underneath you. This is actually a really great level. So, I mean, I really like this. You have the primary, you got a secondary bedroom up here, This is where the family hangs out. This is where dinner's being made. People are over here helping cook, hanging out, watching the game. Like, this is a great level to live in.
Yeah, it's more like a family style, right?
Yeah. So this is really cool of like a family style home.
So right here, you do have this upstairs loft, but what makes it feel even bigger is that you have these doors leading out to an even bigger balcony.
2 balconies.
Yep. So Justin, let's give them a perspective on how big this is. So me and Justin are 2 really big guys. So you can just imagine, I mean, look how much space we have.
This is probably a good 12 by 10 right here. This is a really good size. And then check out your view of the Chino Valley.
So now this is like a second kind of hangout area. You do have this bathroom down right here.
You got another secondary bedroom up here on the top level, and then you're gonna as well have a restroom up behind you. You got a full walk-in closet. So I love the orientation of this home. You can do like this, like an office, and you have the loft up here, and you're super private if you work. You can have families stay up here, and they kind of got their own hangout spot. This is great for even some older parents. They got separate restroom, bedroom, and their loft is their living room. So like, I really like the layout of this home. Works really well.
I think Justin said it perfect.
Let's go.
Should be it, huh?
All right, now we're gonna go check out my favorite, the biggest floor plan. Let's check it out.
It's nice. Actually, we're gonna go check out my favorite. It's the biggest floor
No,
plan.
it's not
It's
his.
really nice.
It's not your favorite, it's mine.
All right, guys, so we're here at the Plan 5. A little bit more about this one, man.
So we're at 2,700 square feet on this one. This is bigger, again, than some people's homes. 3 to 4 bedrooms, formal dining, loft space. This home is beautiful.
So don't be scared. You walk into this house and you're thinking like, man, we got stairs right away. We got a closet, we got a couple closets, garage access, but wait till you see the top, guys. You're gonna be blown away.
So the first thing you see when you walk up is you got stairs going up to the 3rd level, but you come in on the 2nd level, the main level of living. And again, this is beautiful. Look at the finishes that they chose on this home. Look at so this is an office space. This is a formal dining, a second living room. Like, this can be whatever you want it to be. You could even wall this up and make it a bedroom if you needed to, but options.
Yeah, and what I like, you're gonna have the garage right under you, so you don't have to worry about like making noise. I think this is perfect. If you have kids, right, we talk about where are the kids gonna play. Personally for me,
playroom.
I'm putting them in here. This is gonna be their playroom, run amok. There's no toys allowed anywhere else but in this house.
Yeah, we're gonna have powder room and washer and dryer right off of here, again with another closet. The closet space in this house is really great as well. Now come with me, everyone. Your masterpiece awaits.
So you can't tell me that you expected this type of home up here when you first walked up those stairs. You don't. You come in, but this is like a full-on house kitchen right
This
here.
is beautiful. And like, I know we don't talk about design choices, usually just because, you know, design choices are obviously chosen by the builder. But like, this is a beautiful home. And it just shows you what you can actually do with the space. Because everyone, again, here thinks condos are small, condos are tiny, condos are tight. This is a full-on kitchen. This is a 4 bar stool seating island. Like, this is beautiful.
It's about what, 8 feet maybe?
Yeah, something like that. You got the waterfall countertops, you got the backsplash up. Like, this is a full-on kitchen right here.
Yeah, like if I had to count how many handles we have here just for different cabinets, I would go crazy. So there's a ton of space here, like Justin's saying. We have the living room area, we have the patio. Show them the patio, man.
Let's do it. But going out to the patio, this is gonna be like obviously your dining room area right here. And then the patio is even a good size as well. So you got a couple chairs, and I like this because you're on a corner. So this is a corner unit. So you have kind of a corner style view right here. It's not just 180 views, but you can see all the way around. I'm gonna say this is good views. These are some good views. Some good views.
There's a lot of construction going on right now, but it's still good views.
Yeah, and I like that the living room has a little bit of separation. Usually the couch will just be like right there, but you got some good separation here so you can have the food going on, have the cooking. have people hanging out over here. This is a great space.
Yeah, this is all about location, guys. Location, 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 and these are the type of the homes you're gonna get here.
Yeah.
They're gonna maximize the space every time.
Well, where are we? So we're right here in Chino. We're right next to the preserve. This is kind of the new preserve that they're building. There's like a brand new elementary school across the street, brand new shopping center, Stater Brothers, like brand new everything around here.
Starbucks, my favorite.
Yes, we're gonna be right off of like Pine and Euclid, right off the 71. So this is a great location to be in Chino. Everything's new around here.
Love it, man.
Let's go on to the next one.
The next level.
The next level, let's do it.
Wow.
I like this floor.
Yeah, they did a really good job with this one.
Before we go on to the next level, I have a little treat for you. We're gonna have two bedrooms. And look how private they are. There's a huge wall right there. Like, it's all separate. So you have the living space, and then these bedrooms are gonna be really private. So this is perfect for an office and a bedroom, 2 bedrooms, whatever you want it to be. Check them out. And they're actually really good size. Wow, this is a very good sized bedroom. I wish. And then whenever you have bedrooms, you're gonna have a full restroom.
It's a shared one there.
Now this, one of the selling points of the home. Look at these high ceilings. Look at these windows. Again, this is the kind of space that when people walk into, they're gonna be like, Justin, you live here? What?
Yeah, you could do whatever you want here. We got the play area downstairs. You can make this the play area. This could be your second living room. I think this is a great option for those people that want to send somebody up here and be like, hey, the whole top level is yours. Mom and dad are gonna be down with another kid. I think this is great.
This could be golf simulator room.
We're not gonna get a golf
This
simulator.
could be poker table room, it already is. This can be movie theater.
Yeah.
This can be whatever you want it to be, guys.
I like how open it is too.
But it's open, it's big, you've got the high ceilings, you've got all the windows. This is a great space. And then on the other side of this is where we're going to have primary bedroom.
It's primary, man.
Again, private, great floor plan, separation from the rest of the home. Check it out.
Yeah, and there's plenty of space here too. So as you walk in, you got your bed here. You walk in, you got your primary bathroom, which has everything you need. Has enough space for you to mess around in here. Got the shower, his and hers.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is for adults, man.
And then we're gonna have a great walk-in closet, or I like to call it closet.
All right, guys. So we have 6 different type of models here at this community. We're not gonna show you all of them. We'll be going up and downstairs all day. I'll be sweating. I'll be full on like after practice or something.
Yeah, but anyways, guys, we saw 1,800 square feet, 1,900 square feet, all the way up to 2,700 square feet, mid 6s up to the mid 7s in this large floor plan right here. Robert, if they like these homes, if they wanna find out how to tour, if they wanna do something in real estate, what should they do?
Guys, if you guys are looking to buy a new construction home, this is what we specialize in. This is who we are. We are your SoCal new construction experts. So to be able to do this, we're gonna have some links and some details down below where you can contact us and we can help you buy one of these beautiful homes. And we do it all the time. And we also always get the call, hey Robert, hey Justin, hey Reyes, hey Jeff, can you guys help us? We came to this community on our own and we just don't understand what's going on. And they're not really clear with us. That's what we do because we sell hundreds of new construction homes. So if you want to work with the experts, hit the link below, schedule a 15-minute call, and we'll get you into one of these houses. SoCal Cedeno, out.